Greetings from Venkatesh, Devanur of Agri Life on the occasion of World Environment Day. 5th June will be the day called as World Environment Day. In 1972, there was a Stockholm conference where many countries decided to have a concern, to show concern to next generations on celebrating or observing 5th June as the World Environment Day. Global warming happening, climate change happening, lot of environmental changes happening. Every year there is a theme for a celebration or observation. In 2024, this year, the theme of the World Environment Day is land restoration, desertification and drought resilience. As you are aware, there is a lot of salinity happening, increasing the soils, pH of soil chemistry is changing, organic carbon is receding, microbial population is dwindling, therefore a lot of environmental changes are going to come. Let's be aware, raise a concern as to how we improve the parameters of all these things to improve our environment, to make it better for next generations. Thank you.